Hello everyone, welcome to Shayan Media. Today I am coming with a healthy and tasty mutton curry with a chapathi, poori, rice and also kubboos are very tasty to eat with mutton curry. What is special in this curry? We don't need masalas and also oil. We not putting oil in that curry because when putting oil little coming fat, no. So we are not putting oil. So it's so healthy, okay? Try this, okay? This curry. Cook the mutton. Put little salt. Now add turmeric powder. Add pepper powder. After cook the mutton, we should add the potatoes. Now cook it well. Take 2 tomato, 2 onion and 2 garlic and 1 ginger and coriander leaf and curry leaf and onions and also green chili. Now take grated coconuts and these 2 spices.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Take a pan, add the spices. Now fry it. Now add the coconuts in the same pan. Also fry it. Let it fry till the coconut became little brown. Now put the onions and fry it. Now add ginger, garlic and coriander leaf. Then tomato and our tomatoes. Then also the green chili. Now also our curry leaves. Now fry it. and also mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and also red chili 2 spoons. Put these in the mixie jar and grind it. Add grind mixture in the cooked mutton. Mix it well. Add how much water you want. That much water you put. And cook it well. After that, cook well. Our healthy mutton curry is ready. You see, no, we didn't add oil and any masala powders, no. This is so easy and very healthy, no. So you should try, okay? It is also so yummy. It's so yummy. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the icon button to get all my notifications. Bye. Try this. Thank you for watching.